Did you know that if blood gets trapped under your nail after an injury, it can become extremely painful and sometimes the nail may even fall off? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Samin and today we are talking about blood trapped under the nail, also known as a subungual hematoma. Let's find out what causes it, when it's dangerous, and how it's treated. A subungual hematoma usually happens after having object fall on your finger or toe, after slamming it in a door, or from a sport injury. If impact causes tiny blood vessels under the nail to break and blood becomes trapped between the nail and the nail bed. Since the blood has nowhere to go, pressure builds up underneath the nail. That's why many people describe the pain as throbbing or intense. At first, the nail may look dark, red, purple, or even black. As the blood clots gets older, the color may gradually change over the following weeks. Many people worry that the nail is permanently damaged. The good news is that in many cases the nail grows back normally. However, if the injury is severe, the damaged nail may loosen and eventually fall off before a new nail grows in. If the hematoma is small and the pain is mild, treatment usually involves rest, ice, elevation, and the injured finger or toe, and pain relief if needed. But if the blood collection is large or the pain is severe, a healthcare professional may make a small hole in the nail to drain the trapped blood and relieve the procedure. The procedure is quick and should only be performed using sterile medical equipment by a trained healthcare provider. Never try to drill or burn a hole in your nail at home. Doing so can lead to infection, burns, or permanent nail damage. You should also see a doctor if the finger or toe looks deformed, if you can't move it properly, if the pain is severe after the injury, or if you think you may have broken the bone underneath. Sometimes an X-ray is needed to rule out a fracture. Sometimes an X-ray is needed to rule out a fracture. Remember, not every black nail is caused by an injury. In rare cases, a dark spot under the nail can be caused by a serious condition such as subungual melanoma, a type of skin cancer. So, if you notice a dark discoloration without any history of trauma or one that doesn't grow out with the nail, make sure you get it checked by a doctor. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.